overrule you.
Even if he can answer, Mr. Chairman, I understand.
The question is overruled. If you are done, let me give the opportunity to another person.
Mr. Chairman,
I believe you are done. I will then give the opportunity to Honorable Shaibu.
Mr. Chairman, with respect, I am not
Honorable Shaibu, you have the floor.
Mr. Chairman, with respect, I am not done.
Chairman, with all due respect, please allow him to conclude. Please.
Mr. Chairman, thank you very much for your understanding. Mr. Nomini, your firm is on record as having acted for a number of companies which have gone on to make huge claims against the government. In some of these cases, the companies were formed between the year 2013 to 2017. Your firm was the law firm which acted as lawyers for the firm, for the firm. At the same time, you were the Deputy Attorney General. After you left office, the companies proceeded to go on international arbitration against the Republic, claiming millions of dollars. We have an example in GPGC, which was the claimant in the Trafigura arbitration case. Mr. Nomini, your law firm's address, Ayine, Feli & Co., is
Honorable John Dako. The nominee told the whole world that he is mindful of the conflict of interest situation. When he was a Deputy Attorney General, nothing of that nature happened. He's now before us to be vetted for the position of the substantive Attorney General. Why do you keep on asking questions relating to his law firm?
Mr. Chairman, I think it's very important. The honorable nominee, which I know very well, is going to be the chief enforcer of our laws. And so, Mr. Chairman, and he's capable, I know him very capable of answering any question posed to him.
It is not the capability. It's not the capability of answering the question, but we need to be guided by the rules. You know, the law firm Ayine and Associates is different from Honorable Dr. Akuritinga Ayine.
Yes. Yes.
So
but it doesn't mean that he cannot answer. When there is a semblance of conflict of interest, I think that it will be in his own interest to answer that question, to clear the minds of all of us.
Honorable members, do you have any further question?
Mr. Chairman.
I ask the nominee not to answer such a question. I will now give the floor.
Mr. Chairman, I think you have been unfair to me. Yes, Mr. Chairman, if you believe that, for instance, this question...
Did you say I'm being unfair to you?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, with respect.
Why do you say so?
Because, Mr. Chairman, you are not allowing me to ask the questions I'm supposed to ask.
But I have the right to overrule you.
We represent.
We are guided by rules.
And the people need
but
to
we
know.
are guided by rules.
The people must hear.
Are you aware we are guided by rules?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, but I don't
you cannot even ask incriminating questions.
I don't think at this point I have violated any rules of this House. Mr. Chairman, I haven't.
Why lies the question of conflict of interest? When the nominee has already provided the answer.
Mr. Chairman.
Honorable John Dako, you are out of order. I give the floor to Ahmed Shaibu.
Order, Chairman.
I give the floor to Honorable Ahmed Shaibu.
Chairman, order. Chairman, I want to intervene.
We have Ahmed Shaibu and Mahama Shaibu.
Chairman, colleagues.
So, Honorable Minority Leader, you have the floor.
Chairman, before I go into colleagues, please, let's resolve matter. Chairman, I am making this point. If you check our rules book, you have the chairman of the committee, and you have the vice chair, and you have the ranking, and you have deputy ranking. In principle, what our standing orders is trying to say is that there is a presumption, a co-chair of this exercise. To allow, otherwise, if you will never, you would always want to have your say, but you don't want others to speak. That is your problem, NDC. That is your problem. Yes, we don't. Okay, if that is what you want to do, you're right, no problem. You will listen to me, Chairman. You can't say out of. You can say you've said that to my members. If you now want to extend it to mean that I'm out of order and order, let's have it.
If the
Can the
standing
vice
orders,
chair leave?
if the standing orders has
Can I finish? Can I finish? Can I finish, my respected vice chair? Can I finish? Chairman, we are here. We are here to work as a team. The rule talks about the chair and vice chair. If this committee is to deal with a sole chair without anybody to work, to express a view, it would have limited it to chairman and vice chair and nothing else. In Parliament, whenever there is a chair, there is a ranking. It is not to checkmate, but to work together and to express views of the House. When we try to put issues across, we have some of your senior colleagues who reach out quietly to say, oh, please, you are going too much. We listen to them. We want to work together. But Chairman, with the greatest respect, I have observed consistently the way you go at my members, especially the young ones, the new ones. It's not the right way. I've been quiet watching, and I will just be pinching you, the chairman. Please, you take it easy. Take it easy. But the way it is going, I think it is not too right. To the extent that, as your co-chair, and I want to state this on record, well, the standing, don't worry. If you give it a purposive interpretation, it will lead you to that conclusion. Please, let's understand each other. This vetting should have taken place tomorrow, all three of them. We mean well, and I want to state that on record. We mean well as a minority. We cooperated to have days, 21 days or 15 days notice to be waived so that you can form your government as quickly as possible. I am pleading with you, Chairman. Chairman, I am pleading with you. I am pleading with you. I do not. Can I finish? No, I'm not done. I want to be Honorable Mahama Yerga. I need to be done. I would have to be done. I do not like this situation whereby your side is still behaving as though you are in the minority. You are not in the minority. You are now in government. You are now in government. Please, we mean well. It is the reason why we are here. Stop the approach you are adopting. I am pleading with you. I am humbly pleading with you, Chairman. We plead with you. The approach will not help all of us. The approach will not help all of us.
You see, honorable members, I will give the floor to...
Chairman, he did not finish. Please. No. Chairman. Chairman. No, he didn't finish. He had called somebody. Chairman, all my plea is... Chairman, I beg you, allow him. Chairman, please. Chairman, please.
You see, honorable members, we don't sit here to gag any member, but we rather give you directions. The fact that we are guiding and giving you directions as an honorable member of parliament, you should take a cue and proceed. If I want to apply the rules strictly, as the former First Deputy Speaker have been doing, what happened today, we may not be experiencing some of those things. According to him, you are asked to ask a question, you ask the question. But we have allowed you to run commentaries, sometimes to read write-ups before asking the question. So I would urge all of you, particularly the new members, to take guidance from the chair. We are here to guide you. We are to guide you. So if you still have one more question, you may proceed to ask the question. Come here, I beg you. Come here, I beg you. I'll give you the floor after that. I'll give you the floor after that. Oh, hold on with your question. Let me give the floor to Honorable Kwame Agboja.
Chairman, you see, nothing happening today.
Please, let's have order. Order.
Chairman, what the minority leader said about NDC being intolerant, or they have been more cooperative, is so what is